My topic is about optimism bias. Mr. John, an experienced school cook, faced a tight deadline when a delivery was delayed. Feeling anxious, he handled raw chicken with bare hands and refused the same knife and cutting board for vegetables without washing them. He finished lunch on time, but several students later sought medical help for stomach pain. Analysis of Mr. John's actions showed that he knew the safety rules. However, time pressure led to errors. One explanation is that the human brain has two modules, logical and instinctive, and the stress instinct overrides logic. This caused Mr. John to act on safety without realizing it. Another factor is optimism bias. Years of experiences lead him to believe that this time would also be safe. Despite these risks, this explains why he served the unsafe meal. In the end, 18 students sought medical attention due to stomach pain. Although the incident acquired corrective action is still possible, Mr. John's actions were not reckless and should not be simply punished. Instead, which can reduce the mental load of logical thinking so that even instinct-driven behavior remains safe. A simple solution is to physically separate meat and vegetables handling area using a clear white line. This prevents cross-contamination and avoids mixing tools and cutting boards. Even when working on instinct, a cook can then avoid contamination. It's believed that Mr. John can prevent such safety issues in the future.